Ate!
Ano?
Ay, pwede po bang ma-interview kayo?
Ano yun?
I am Lyra Shane C. Galera, 16 years old, born on October 22, 2007, 5'1", senior high school STEM student, ang volleyball cutie player ng Saud. Agri-reg Korad Mamin 12. My hobbies are playing volleyball and dancing. My favorite food is adobo. Ngam joke lang. Kan-kanak talaga amin. And of course, I am not single. I'm married to Yunwoo, and this is him. Yeah, it's my asawa.
What is your motto in life?
My motto in life is, if you have problem, it's your problem.
Thank you po! Ba namang motto ni ate yun? Wow ha, di ko na ano yun. Di ko expect yun, promises. Pero si ate kaya. Ito si ating nakating. Ate! Pwede po bang ma-interview
Ay, sorry.
ko kayo? Ha?
Rosemary D. Calventas, 19 years old, born on December 10, 2004. 5'2", senior high school STEM student at ang overthinker na ate ng Saud. My hobby is playing mobile online games when I'm bored, watching K-drama 24/7. I'm good at singing pero secret lang. My favorite food is igado, pakbet, and adobo. Of course, I'm in a low-key relationship to Songia.
I'm not talking to stranger.
Ay, ate please na po para lang po sa project ko. Ano pong motto in life nyo?
My life is hard boy.
So, ayun na nga guys, meron na tayong dalawang na-interview. Tapos, dapat meron pang isa para matapos na tong project na to.
Atasha Kate Galat, 16 years old, born on August 20, 2007. 6'2", ay, Siyempre, I have the rights to remain silent. Ang dalulungot father ng ligaya. My hobby is dancing, drawing and paintings. And I also love to read. It gritted his teeth. I'm also writing a stories in Wattpad. Spoiler. Singing while strumming the ukulele. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Bitinte, kasi baka bumagyo, kasalanan ko pa, diba? And syempre, sa fictional character lang mai-in love. And my number 1 favorite food. Syempre, pakiponsyonan.
And, my motto in life is buhay ID, karera. Ay ka muna, So, ngayon, meron na naman akong nahanap na isang i-interviewin para sa motto in life natin. So, arap na! So, eto si Kuya. Eto, pogi si Kuya.
Ito.
Ay! Hala! Kuya, wag! Hala, Kuya, snatcher ka pala!
Ay, bintol mo.
Hindi, Kuya. Palawagan to, Kuya. Hindi to fully paid, Kuya! Hindi to fully paid, Kuya! Kuya, hindi!
Name is Reden Galia, 16 years old, born on August 19, 2007, 5'6", senior high school STEM student.
Ang tiktokeris ng DOS, Bangi at Burgos. Ako na nagsabi kasi hindi siya nag-send ng VM.
Huwag ka na lang. Huwag ka na sanang mawala
My hobbies are scrolling TikTok at 24/7, and I'm playing badminton in every afternoon, and watching Rome every night. I'm content creator. Please follow my account in TikTok. God bless you all. My favorite is dinuguan.
My motto in life is matatalino lahi namin pero hindi ako kasali.
Yeah!